Alright, okay. So, we were bored, and we already messed up this one thing on Wiki Answers. That's, who is George Washington? You can go look that up. It's the best freaking thing ever. But right now, we're making fun of Lil Wayne because we hate him.
Lil Wayne, shoot me down. Let's make fun of that.
Alright, so,
for those of you
we type in randomest crap that you will ever see. Yeah, and it's the best thing ever.
It'll make you cry out of your pee holes. If you have
I'll put a picture of the George Washington one on Instagram, so go to unimoose__ for that.
Alright, we could use this. And then, what's a good question?
Oh, I got a good question.
It must have an answer, or else you can't do it.
Frick. Let's hope this one hasn't. Oh, frick, I clicked something.
Ew.
What'd I click?
Oh, you just went to the home page.
Oh my god, I hate my life.
Search someone, like,
No, hold on. Why do kangaroos... Oh, frick. Kangaroos poop on my fridge.
Poop on my fridge. Poop on my fridge. They be taking pepper.
Don't you hate it when... Don't you hate it when kangaroos take a poop on your fridge? Let's answer it. Let's answer the question.
Alright.
Alright, look, since I did the last one, the George Washington thing, Logan's gonna do this one. He's got this. Well, you see, kangaroos have a gas problem that involves
pooping on
fridges.
No, on what?
How do you spell?
On dandy fridges.
Dandy fridges. Yeah, buddy.
Sounds like an old man. On dandy fridges.
You can do that.
For the enjoyment of pooping on people's stuff.
I do that all the time.
Like when I was a child, I accidentally pooped on my neighbor's shoes. There also was a dog who liked to poops on kittens because they smelled like pooping pads. So, don't buy cats that smell like pooping pads.
Pooping pads?
Pooping pads. Pooping. No, not popping.